Seeing the quote MFReadWrite.dll is missing error on Windows N? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Open the browser of your choice and navigate to the official Media Feature Pack download page. Scroll down to the Download section. Select the edition of your Windows 10N and click on Confirm below. After downloading the pack, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get the desired components. If you don't know which Windows edition you have installed, select Start Settings, System, then select About. In this window, you will see the edition, version, and OS build information.